Hi there. So in the video description you will find the link to this page. So here I update the Linux virtual machine. So here you can download, so you have a general description, and here you have a link where you can download the virtual machine. Okay, so here you have access to the one with 50 gigabytes, which I think it is enough to run the training, okay, and have all the tutorials. But later I will upload another one with 200 gigs, okay, which will be more than enough also to have large simulations. But have in mind that it's up to you to configure that one. So check your resources, how much space do you have, and then configure your virtual machine. So if you download this virtual machine here, there's a zip file. So let me show you that you should have something like this. You have this file, okay, it's a large one, and then you will extract everything and you will have the folder. So to launch this, remember, it's relatively easy. Okay, you go here, then you can go here in player, file, open, or click here, open virtual machine, and then look for that for the location. So this one, it is here, I have it here. Select the VMWare file, and then you will load here. Okay, so after you have it there, so before launching, remember that you will need to edit your settings, okay, according to your hardware. So click here, and then here you can reduce, increase memory, reduce, increase number of processors. This one, we talked already about this one, and the other thing that you can change is the video memory. And then maybe you can switch on these options here, okay? So feel free to change that according to your hardware. And at this point, you press here, play, okay, and it will launch. Okay, so let's see what happened. Press play. So see that it's very flexible, and it's extremely flexible using virtual machines. You can move it, you can download it, and you will have all the information there. So the first time it load probably will take a little bit long, but don't worry. And now we're here. Okay, remember CFD user, CFD 1234. And so on. So in the web page also you have here the users and everything, and the aliases and everything. So now that you are inside here, it's just a normal installation. Okay, so see that I go here, and you have OpenFOAM, you have the two versions, Dakota, then you have this version here, you have all the training here, okay, and many more applications like Paraview, stuff like that. So at this point you are all set, and I think let's check the space. So if I type df, so it's still, well, it's 50, you're kind of you still have 40 gigs, okay, so this is just a basic installation, not to have everything running. So have in mind that you will need more space. So at this point I think we are done. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video that probably will show you installing more applications. So bye, see you next time.